So we never even took off. We got evacuated from business class. Yes, you guys heard correctly, this trip is about to get pretty wild. It is currently 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm getting ready to head to London airport for our flight to Saudi Arabia. Just swing over to Dylan's house, pick him up.
Bruh, I'm not gonna lie.
Can I help you, ma'am?
I was ready to walk over there and start knocking on your door. I think you're awake.
You ready then? Ready, gone 3. We gotta make a move, buddy. And we hit the road starting our 3-hour drive all the way to London airport. And when we got there was some breaking news about Tory Lane, so Dylan had to record a video in my car. And one of the coolest things about this trip that me and Dylan were both incredibly excited about was the fact that this was the first time ever we were going to be flying business class. And the first of many perks of flying business class is you literally don't have to wait in a queue. Also didn't want to waste my iced tea, so I quickly chugged it before going through security. That takes us to another massive perk of being in business class. You get access to the premium lounge, which I had no idea obviously what it was going to be like.
You get free drinks.
But when we got there, apparently it's just free everything. You get a free buffet, as many drinks as you want, and you get to sit in these massive armchair seats. You're living in luxury. Well, we made it. Don't know how we're here. Feel like we are out of place, but oh, hiya. Here's what I got on today's menu. American pancake stack is a mix of honey and about 5 turkey bacons. Our bellies are now full, so we make our way to the aircraft. Super excited. Like, again, we're just so hyped. First time flying business. I mean, look at this thing, man. You've got your own like little pod. You can kick your feet up. Got a pretty massive screen to watch movies on your flight. And they also give you a freaking pillow. Oh yeah, and as soon as you get onto the airplane, the flight attendant hands you a smoothie of your choice. Is that they hand you this wet towel, which I actually didn't know what to do with, so I used it for my hands and my face. We're chilling, all excited to take off and experience business class. This is when tragedy strikes. So we never even took off. Shortest business class flight I've ever been on. We just sat there for 2 hours on the flight, and then we all had to get off because there was some part missing on the plane. Got evacuated from business class.
Elliot's the type of dude that would just say, don't worry, just leave anyway. Forget the part.
So now we've got to wait around to find out like if they're going to fix the plane, find this other part, or put us on a different airplane. But knowing we have quite a few hours to kill, we end up going back to the lounge. The carnage of everybody trying to speak to someone at the airport, just complaining and just getting super upset that the plane hasn't taken off. They're trying to find another flight to get them to their location. Either way, they find us another plane. We're back in business class. Everything is cruisy. So the plane finally takes off and we're chilling. Now, of course, I got to review the food up here in business class. Now, you actually get a 3-course menu. So I kick things off with a little bit of bread and butter and this weird prawn dish onto the main, and I forget what this is called. It's something like maybe a lamb risotto or something like that, but that was fairly decent. And finally for dessert, you get this little bowl of Haagen-Dazs ice cream, and then try to get some sleep because, again, I've been up since 2 a.m. It is super late and I haven't slept for a very long time. This is when we land in Saudi Arabia.
Where is it? Which one?
Oh, you want to grab it?
Yeah.
It's that one there.
Now you have to do some shoulder presses with it too.
Jeez. Training started early, hey? It's a classic Deji move. Alright, we finally just picked up the bags, and what time is it? I don't even know, like 4, 5 a.m.
So we started this at 3 a.m. yesterday. And we're still trapped. 2 a.m. yesterday.
No, 2 a.m. yesterday we started driving, and then the whole day it's just been delayed flights. Finally got the frickin' suitcases, and it's probably like time for breakfast now. The reason we're here in Saudi Arabia is because we got invited to one of the biggest gaming conventions in the entire world. It's called Gamers 8. Honestly, I'd seen a few videos leading up to this of what this place is going to be like, but I really had no idea, because what you're going to see in a little bit is absolutely mind-blowing. We made it to the hotel, which just happens to be one of the best hotels I have ever been in my life. Alright, just got to the hotel room. Thought I might as well discover this place with you guys, because this is an insane hotel. Like, what the hell? Look at this freaking bathtub. Like, I've never taken a bath since I was like 5, but I might just do that today because look at this freaking view. I got a freaking desk where I can edit and make my videos. So yeah, this is the freaking bedroom, but man, I am tired. Tell you what, I heard waffles and pancakes and it smells like cinnamon. Cappuccino. I'll take a latte, please. We literally covered the entire table in plates of food. Like, we were definitely hungry, hadn't eaten for a very long time. I got me some goddamn pancakes, some scrambled eggs. We decided to get a goddamn feast in here. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to finish all of this, but I'm gonna do my best. Right, so we just woke up from probably about a 2-hour nap after literally 24 hours of traveling straight. So what we just did is, of course, we gotta set up an entire studio. So this is what we're working with currently. We got the lights over here. This light is literally attached to a freaking ironing board, you know, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And the pair that we're talking about today is the freaking tactical boot. Whether you think it's a gimmick or not, at least on this pair of Yeezys, it's a practical gimmick, like having glowing shoes or different variations of... So later on that day, after we filmed our videos, we get in these freaking massive GMC trucks and we make our way to the event, which again, like I said, guys, this place is absolutely insane.
Hey, is
mainstream media?
Number 1 right here, but what number you get?
14!
14 loser!
Alright, so we're now entering Gamers 8.
So turn that again, look.
Whoa. Miles an hour. Oh my lord. What in the world?
This place is literally bigger than the city that we live in.
But it is so massive. You'd be so tired at the end of the day if you actually tried to walk it. So yeah, these golf buggies definitely came in clutch. So essentially how this works is it's basically just a huge place with like actual streets. And there's a bunch of buildings with different events to do at each place. So the first place that we stopped off was a FIFA room. And then we headed to the second venue, which had an entire history of all of the different types of gaming consoles. Starting from the first ever gaming console all the way up to the latest one, the PS5. Dylan and I hit up another game of FIFA. Of course, I won. And then, of course, because we're with Deji, we gotta get a couple rounds in on the punching machine.
The time has come. You go second, you go second. Wait, 492? No one wanted to stop. Alright, 492. Hey!
Hey, you smoked me! You absolutely smoked! Just 300. 300, please. Oh, yes! It does count! It totally counts!
It doesn't count. We get 3.
We get 3.
No, it's not. He knows. Yeah, he knows the little technical stuff.
Wow! Dang! I missed it.
Let me play this banana game. Yep, I freaking suck.
Yes! You were all laughing at me and you're absolute trash!
And then the next venue was to dress up in a samurai attire.
This is why.
So like King Kong, yeah? Sheesh. Bro, you're looking fruity.
I'm sure there's an actual name for what this is. Before we head to the samurai lessons, we take a quick pit stop doing some karaoke.
This one's just for you, Deji. You ready?
Hey, you thought I was feeling you? Hey, you thought I was feeling you? Yo, I don't know the words. No.
Hey.
Speaking like I'm going to that genie. Right in the Lamborghini. Lamborghini. If I know you see me. In my Lamborghini. If I know you see me. In my Lamborghini.
And then we get some lessons in trying to become samurais.
Straight up!
head into a jump scare maze where there was actual ninjas hiding behind curtains.
Oh, it's you! Oh, it's you!
I was not expecting that.
One of my favorite venues was a racing simulator, which I've never done in my life before, but it is so freaking cool. At the end of this day, we got back to the hotel at like 3 or 4 a.m. We were just ready to crash because we had to do all of this again tomorrow.
Right, we are en route to round 2. The second day here in Saudi, and we've actually got a concert tonight.
Day 2 was pretty sick. We went to some of the venues that we missed out on the first day that we went, and then I think the venue that takes the cake of this entire trip was playing laser tag. But it did come with a bit of a twist.
Laser tag, and we've got these wristwatches that basically shock you when you get shot. So I'm gonna put mine on max, but some people are already putting theirs on like the weakest setting. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we find out the scores now. L.
Here we go.
L.
Wait. No, I think we won.
Are we ready?
Yeah, no, we definitely won. We definitely won.
Blue.
How many kills did you get?
It's bumper car time. You choose to go right in front of me, huh? You know what's gonna happen. It's come to this point.
How incredible this trip was. I am truly blessed to have the opportunity to be a part of this. Meeting Deji was freaking awesome. He is such a nice guy. And Tom Syndicate, how he is in the vlogs that he makes is exactly how he is in person. He is just that full of energy and just such a genuine guy. Either way, guys, I want to round this vlog off by saying a massive thank you to all of you guys for watching it. And if you enjoy vlogs or these kind of voiceover vlogs that I'm doing, let me know down in the comment section.
And that wraps it up for the Saudi Arabia trip. Check it out behind me. Bags packed. We're gonna head to the airport now. And yeah, it's been one hell of a time. This place is pretty incredible. We got Ning on the bags.
Slide it on for us.
You'll be like, oh, what happened?
This is the cab. Thank you for the glizzy. Honestly.
Yeah, thanks for having fun. It's good. See you later, my love. You can be like help.
Keep walking in them slides. Take them off.
Shouldn't be filmed on this next.
Yeah, he's got to.